How the butterfly effect can transform your social life. Small changes, big impact. Imagine this. You decide to smile at a stranger while waiting in line for coffee. That person, feeling uplifted, starts a friendly conversation with their coworker, who then leaves work in a great mood and finally texts back an old friend they had been meaning to reconnect with. That friend gets inspired to throw a party, where two people meet and fall in love. This chain reaction started with a simple smile. This is the power of the butterfly effect. The idea that one tiny action can trigger a sequence of events leading to massive changes. Today, we will explore how you can use this effect to transform your social life, boost confidence, and open doors to new friendships, opportunities, and even romance. 1. What is the butterfly effect and why does it matter? The butterfly effect, originally a theory in chaos science, suggests that small actions can lead to enormous outcomes over time. The classic example is that the flap of a butterfly's wings in Brazil could set off a chain of weather changes leading to a tornado in Texas. When applied to social life, this concept means that minor adjustments in your behavior, like saying hello to a stranger, standing with better posture, or joining one event, can completely reshape your personal network, confidence, and influence. 2. Your social life is a system. One change affects everything. Your interactions, friendships, and reputation are all part of a dynamic system. Small, intentional changes, such as speaking up in group settings or introducing yourself to someone new, can create ripple effects that redefine how people see and interact with you. Think of your social life as a domino setup. The first, smallest action tips the next one, leading to an unstoppable chain reaction. 3. The power of a single conversation. Most people underestimate the power of one new connection. The truth is, every significant relationship, whether friendship, business partnership, or romance, began with a single conversation. If you initiate just one new conversation today, it might lead to a new social circle, a job opportunity, or a lifelong friend. The more conversations you start, the more doors you open. 4. Breaking out of your social comfort zone. If your social life feels stagnant, it's because your habits are reinforcing the same results. Change starts by stepping outside your comfort zone. Start with small risks. Make eye contact, ask someone how their day is going, or give a compliment. Attend social gatherings where you normally wouldn't go. Say yes to invitations you'd usually decline. Each of these small actions triggers a bigger chain of social growth. 5. How body language shapes social influence. Your presence in a room is determined before you even say a word. Body language signals confidence or insecurity, openness or distance. The simplest tweaks, standing tall, making eye contact, smiling, send powerful messages that make you more approachable and influential. Imagine someone walking into a room with slumped shoulders and avoiding eye contact. Now picture someone entering confidently, making eye contact, and smiling. Which one do you naturally gravitate toward? Small adjustments in body language cause big shifts in how others perceive and engage with you. 6. Leveraging social proof. How visibility builds attraction. People are drawn to those who appear socially connected. This is called social proof, the idea that we assume someone is valuable or interesting if others are engaging with them. The more you interact with people, the more attractive you become in social settings. Attend group events, talk to multiple people, and let others see you engaged in conversation. These small steps create the illusion of social gravity, drawing even more people toward you. 7. The compound effect of kindness, a reputation worth building. Kindness is a small action that multiplies over time. Complimenting a friend, helping someone with a problem, or simply listening can create lasting impressions. Over weeks, months, and years, these moments add up, crafting a reputation that draws people to you. The butterfly effect of kindness works like this. You show genuine interest in someone, which makes them feel valued. They, in turn, treat others better. The cycle continues, and soon, you become the person people naturally want to be around. 8. Overcoming fear of rejection. Shifting your mindset. Fear of rejection holds more people back than anything else. But rejection isn't failure. It's just part of the process. Reframe rejection as proof of action. If you never get rejected, it means you're not taking enough social risks. Every no gets you closer to a yes, and every awkward moment is a step toward confidence. 9. Call to action. Start the chain reaction today. You don't need a massive personality change to improve your social life. You just need one small action that triggers the next. Try this challenge today. Start one conversation with someone new. Compliment someone genuinely. Say yes to an invitation you would usually turn down. Stand with confidence and observe how people react differently to you. Then, watch as the small shifts start creating big results. Final thoughts. The small steps that change everything. Your social life is a living, evolving thing, and tiny adjustments today can lead to life-changing results in the future. The butterfly effect proves that small actions, initiating conversations, showing confidence, or simply being kind, create massive transformations over time. The key is consistency. If you make one small change every day, in a month, your social life will look completely different. In a year, you might not even recognize the old version of yourself. So, take that first step. The butterfly effect is already in motion. You just need to decide what direction. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.